This is Chris, I'm sorry, Usital. Pick up the microphone there. This is what Dave Bartholomew sounds like when he's not nervous. Go ahead, talk to me.
Well, this is Chris Musical, one of three brothers that vie for the Yuma Modelers.
I mean, that airplane is 40% of the size of the full-size Cub.
That's correct.
It was big when he brought it out here. Man,
Yes, because it's a little wing, they are much more aerobatic than these.
So, I mean, that looks like, I mean, at this distance, that looks like a full-size airplane.
They mistaken size.
And you can see how the wind is pushing it over toward the right side. It's an on-crowd wind. And these guys, the modelers, have to be as careful as the civilian pilots. They cannot let that wind push the airplane towards the So they're working on it.
Mira, el amarillo se parece a un helicóptero.